you know that 1 in 5 people will be attacked during their lifetime? Be prepared. Let's learn a new self-defense. If the attacker is in your open guard, first you want to gain distance. If he has your hands pinned, you can't use them, so use your legs. From here, you're going to try to get your feet up to his hips. Control the hips, control the body. From here, gain distance. 2, press yourself out, not your attacker. As you press yourself out, push yourself far enough away that now you can hit targets. I can't use my hands, but I can use my legs. Groin, solar plex, face. Placing your feet on your attacker's hips gives you control of his body and allows you to feel where he's moving so you can create the distance you need to hit the targets.